Okay, hey boo, what's up? My name is Jeannette, also known as Ms.FitVegan. So when I went raw in 2011, it was actually the first time in my entire life that I ever had a salad. I do not ever remember having a salad before 2011. And I am in a pretty, upscale supermarket. So they have some really healthy looking dressings. I actually remember having 2 of these dressings as a raw vegan in 2011. One of them was this one, the Dijon honey mustard. And I know, there's honey in here. So don't hate me. But in the beginning of my journey, I didn't know any better really. I didn't really know the situation on honey. I don't eat honey now, but I was okay with it back then. So let's look at the ingredients. And this is one of the more healthy dressings we have, okay? Looks really healthy. I mean, I guess the avocado on the front and the word home style. And it's just in glass. And it just looks very fancy, right? But that's all trickery, because when we come to the back of it, it says canola oil. That's one of the cheapest, most unhealthy oils you can find on the planet. It's not even organic, so it's completely GMO, and it's just in a fancy bottle. And that's why you think that it's not very expensive, but you think that it's healthy. Next is water, Dijon mustard, vinegar, mustard seed, okay. Citric acid, that's GMO. That's black mold from GMO corn. Tartaric acid. White wine. What the fuck? Okay, we got honey, we got cane sugar. Now, why do we need honey and cane sugar? White vinegar, apple cider vinegar, onion powder, salt, modified tapioca starch, turmeric, mustard, flour, mustard flavor, xanthan gum, mixed, here's the kicker, okay? Mixed tocopherols, and then if they have in parentheses antioxidant vitamin E, you're not going to question it, right? All right, this is absolutely disgusting. This is not a health food, and I would absolutely stay away from this. Also, look at the okay, so 2 tablespoons is going to give you 12 grams of fat, 140 calories, 140 grams of sodium, and some weird thing with the sugar going on here. 10% sugar. I don't know what's going on there. I don't usually read labels, to be honest, so I don't really know what that whole 5-gram thing was. But just a heads up, this is not a health food. This is toxic GMO crap. So I remember having that in the beginning of my journey. And I also remember using this because I didn't know that I could make my own dressings. So I didn't use this flavor, but I used to use Bragg's. All right, so let's see what's in Bragg's. We got, okay, at least Bragg's is organic extra virgin olive oil. So that's a little better than GMO cheap fucking canola oil, okay? Why don't you YouTube how they make canola oil, and you will never use that again. Water, apple cider vinegar, coconut aminos, coconut nectar, apple cider vinegar again, honey, garlic, puree, ginger, lemon, xanthan gum, sesame seed. Okay, so this one, xanthan gum, is definitely not a health food, but we can see that this one is a little bit better, right? Actually, much better. So I would say Bragg's is not a bad choice. I don't really, want to inspire you to have oil, but if the only way you're going to eat a salad is to put oil and salt on it, then I think that's fine, as long as it's organic, cold-pressed oil. Every other dressing here is going to contain dairy and crazy amounts of salt. Okay, hold on. Let's see what's in here. 75%. 75 milligrams sodium. Okay. Oh Lord, we have Skinny Girl. Let's see what's in here. Water, cider vinegar, maltodextrin. Okay, cellulose gel. Cellulose gel. The cellulose, actually I was looking up the other day. Is that the wood chips? That's wild. Okay, yeah. All these Weird things that you have no idea what they are. If you put something into your body and you don't know what it is, then what's going to happen? Oh, yeah, that's good. Better. Yeah. It's just oil. So yeah. Better. If you don't know what it is, your body's going to see it as a poison, and your body is going to have a negative reaction. So all of these things, with all of the crazy chemicals that are not found in nature, is going to cause things like headaches and diarrhea and bloating and gas and all these things that you complain about that you don't know why you have. You know, you tell me, oh, I'm eating a raw vegan diet, but are you eating a raw vegan diet? Okay, something better, if you have to buy a dressing in a store, would be to go and get tahini. Get some tahini and do that. Okay, you can even do the coconut aminos if you'd like. All right, it's very, very salty, but it's better than things with chemicals in them. If you're going to eat something with a chemical in it, then you're not raw. You're eating processed foods. This has coconut, tree sap, and sea salt. Much better. Okay, mix this with some water and tahini. Or you could do with olive oil and call it a day. Okay, you don't want to be consuming processed foods and playing yourself. That's what you really don't want to be doing. And by the way, I never ate a salad before the age of 26, but I do remember eating these bacon bits. I remember my mom bought these and I ate the whole bag. They were so good, and now I look at them and they look like dog food. Okay, let's just see what's in here. I feel so bad for my mom. Like, when I was a teenager, I just ate like all the food in the house, and it's just like, she was poor. Like, we were poor. But now that I think about it, like, I had money, so I was giving her money, thank God. But like, we were poor, and I was eating all the food. I feel so bad now. So bad. Okay, so we got bacon, sodium phosphate, sodium ascorbate, sodium nitrate, hickory smoke flavor, and may contain artificial maple flavor, potassium chloride. You're not a fucking drain. You're not a, these things, these sodium chloride things, it's like, these things are found in like things that unclog drains and like paint and like I told you, the wood chips. Somebody look up, I swear I was reading about this the other day, cellulose gel. Tell me what cellulose gel is below, please. I really, really appreciate it. Yo, I have the best community on the fucking planet. Did y'all even notice that? Oh, over here we have the mustard section. If you know me, then I love mustard. But some of the mustard here, y'all, it is not giving. Okay, so Primal Kitchen is a pretty good one. That's a pretty good one. Be careful with your mustard, okay? Because you can have citric acid in the mustard, natural flavors in the mustard. Yo, these things are umbrella terms, natural flavors. You do not want to eat anything you don't know what it is. And then you're going to have all these side effects and you don't know why you have them. Ooh, write that down. If you eat things you don't know what they are, you're going to have side effects you don't know why you have. Something like that. Somebody fix that. Ken's Steakhouse. Oh, let's see this. Balsamic vinaigrette. Let's see what's going on here. See, look at all these ingredients. Natural flavors. We don't know what that is. Don't eat anything with natural flavors if you're following me, okay? Please, please, please. Very important. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you'd like to find out more about what the hell is going on in the world of health, if you'd like to learn recipes, if you'd like to know what to eat, what not to eat, then subscribe, give it a thumbs up, comment, and like. And no, these bananas are not organic. Technically, I don't need any fruit, but when I see bananas that are ripening, I just have to buy them. I don't know. I have a problem. Okay, love you guys. I came in here literally just to film for you. I was just walking because I like to get 10,000 steps a day. And let's see what I'm at right now because it's late. Yeah, pretty close. Okay. Love you guys. Bye.